Microsoft gaming CEO Asha Sharma is sounding the alarm. Game Pass is officially too expensive. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. After years of chasing subscribers, the dream of the Netflix of gaming is hitting a wall. Former PlayStation boss Shawn Layden isn't holding back either, calling the service's future grim and suggesting it's time for a postmortem. Problem? Gaming is a stagnant pond. Research shows subscriptions don't actually bring in new players. You just make current fans spend less money on individual games. With Game Pass Ultimate sitting at a hefty $30 a month, the math simply doesn't work anymore. And that's why industry expert Joost van Dreunen says Microsoft needs to stop being culturally proud and start selling commercials. He predicts an ultra-low $6 tier or even a totally free version where you pay for your Halo session by sitting through a 30-second ad for soda or insurance. Sounds like a price too high for hardcore gamers. Van Dreunen argues that every other medium, from TV to Spotify, has already surrendered to the law of ads. Sharma's the perfect person to swing the axe. Before joining Xbox, she turned Instacart into an advertising spot. She isn't just looking at games, she's looking at audience aggregation. There are even whispers of a massive Netflix bundle on the horizon to save the brand. Xbox is turning away from owning content to just being a giant billboard that happens to play games. The era of the prestige subscription is over. Whether fans like it or not, the future of Xbox might involve a brought to you by flash screen before every boss fight. It's a desperate way to survive, but in a market this grim, it might be the only one left. More updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.